In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal business account. After you've logged into your account, you'll be on your home screen where you see your balance right here at the top, and then you'll see a lot of other options as well. So to quickly get your money out of your PayPal business account, you would click on your balance at the top, and this brings you up to your balance page. And here you can see add money is the main button that they want you to click there. But under more options right there, you can click transfer from your balance. And this is what you want to withdraw your money. So you click transfer to bank, and that is how you're going to withdraw your money here. So you have the option to transfer in minutes very quickly with a fee. There is a fee for this, so you can link a new bank account or link a debit card to do this. So you can click link a new bank account, and you can select the bank from this list and go through the process of linking a new bank account. Or you can also use a debit card and link a debit card by clicking link a debit card and then entering the information here and then clicking link card. That is going to have a fee with it. So I always do the other option that's free, completely free. It's 1 to 3 business days to get your money, but it goes to the account you've already connected to PayPal. If you don't have an account connected to PayPal, down here you would click change, and then you would go through the process of linking a new bank account and then choosing your bank from the list and going through the process to add your business bank account to your business PayPal. So once you've done this, you would then decide how much you want to remove from PayPal. So you can have your whole balance. That's what it's usually going to have at the top, or you can change it to a certain amount of your balance. So let's say I want to remove partial amount of my balance. So I changed it from $50.15 to $20. And then I check the 1 to 3 business days button. So it's going to be free to get my money out, which is what we like. And then it's going to go to the account I have set up here. And that's all correct. So once everything is correct on the screen, you click the transfer button. So you're going to transfer $20 USD for me, or whatever amount for you, maybe thousands. And then the next screen will show you that your money is on the way. And then you click done. And honestly, that's it. That's all it takes to transfer your money out of your PayPal business account to your actual business bank account. I hope this video was helpful and it sets you on the path of creating a profitable business. If you need a business bank account and you don't have one set up yet, definitely watch this video next.